Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on engine wheeling. Today's video will probably be a little bit shorter, given that I was away for one day this week, but we'll still try to cover as much material as possible. One of the big things that will be happening in the next video is testing. So this coming Friday, with the video on Monday, with that stuff coming, we'll be doing 5 different types of testing, which I'll go into a little more detail later on in the video. This should be very exciting and start to be able to test the functions of the robot to see whether everything functions correctly when it's supposed to. So in terms of the testing that I was talking about earlier, we want to do 5 specific tests on Friday. This includes a speed test of the robot, the new coordinate system, which we've mostly implemented, a different coordinate system, which is more of an open loop movement sort of system, finding a light source and moving back to it, and doing the basic temperature mapping, so getting the data out of the robot into an array and ready for processing within MATLAB. For all of these tests, we have a testing plan, which we're hoping to stick to try to make the most out of this testing session, and hopefully to make it as quick and efficient as possible, so we can do the tests that we need to, get all the data we need, and then pack everything up and come back another day when there is more testing that we need to do. But for now, I need to go to the electronics lab to do some integration of the sensors onto the main assembly, and then after that we've got an integration meeting where we're integrating all the electronics, all the software, and to make the firmware side of it all compatible, so that when we do the testing on Friday, there will hopefully be as few issues as possible. So I'll see you guys in the electronics lab. So we've integrated the gyro into the main assembly now. We're getting a good angle of about, so that's really good progress on that. So we've got all the sensors integrated onto the main system. So all 4 LiDAR chips, the gyro, which is actually underneath the main unit, and also the temperature sensor on the side. So all of that is working on one configuration and one system. So that's good. Right, so we've had our integration meeting this afternoon. Very productive meeting. Got a lot of things sorted out. We're just, at this point, hoping everything works on the day for testing on Friday. Again, this video is probably just going to be a bit shorter than the rest of them, just because I was away Monday, and then Tuesday and Wednesday there hasn't really been much happening apart from meetings. But video on Monday is going to be epic. Make sure not to miss it. Like and subscribe down below for that video, and I'll see you guys on Monday.